I'm Noah Hall. I am in the Clay County 4-H group, and today we are going to be making some turkey droppings. Yummy! These are the ingredients that you're going to need. We're going to need a stick of butter, 2 cups of sugar, 4 tablespoons of cocoa, and a half cup of milk. We're going to put this all in the pan and bring it to a boil. Once it's boiling, we're going to be adding 3 cups of oats, a teaspoon of vanilla, and a cup of peanut butter. So let's do this. The first thing we're going to need is, I like to start off with the butter. So I'm going to open this up real quick. And then it's a little, there we go. Now I'm going to do the cocoa. We're going to need 4 tablespoons of this. We're now going to need our 2 cups of sugar. So I'm going to pour this all in. And then the half cup of milk. So I'm going to grab a half cup. And so now you gotta put milk in here. There we go. So now I'm going to grab a spoon, stir this up until it starts boiling. So now it is boiling. It's kind of a little hard to see, but there are bubbles coming up. Now I'm gonna turn off the heat. Now we can add in our other 3 ingredients: the peanut butter, the oats, and the vanilla. I have 1 cup of it, and this is kind of hard to get out since it's so sticky. But here we go. Okay, so I put the peanut butter in the pot. Now we're gonna need 3 cups of oats. Alright, so I put in the oats, the 3 cups of oats. Now we're gonna need a teaspoon of this vanilla. Alright, now that we have that, I'm gonna grab the spoon and we can start stirring again. So, now that we have we stirred all of our turkey droppings up, they should look a little bit like this. And you gotta make sure you put your parchment paper out on the counter just like this. And then I grabbed my scooper and I'm gonna scoop it right there. And then I'm gonna keep on repeating until we run out of droppings in the pot. Alright, so here is our finished product. Your cookie should look a little bit like this. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed and that these turned out pretty good for you as well. And yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you. Bye.